Remember when your computer felt fast? It was brand new back then. Now each click feels heavy. Today we find out why. It is not old age. It is not bad luck. For sneaky things are working against you right now. We will show you all 4. Secret number 1. Think of memory as your desk. Open apps sit on that desk, but your desk only has so much room. Remember the busy city for video 1? Its roads got too full fast. Open 10 apps and your desk gets the same jam. When the desk fills up, your computer must shuffle things. That shuffling takes real time. You feel each second of it. Secret number 2. Remember the tall big storage room for video 1? It has shelves. Those shelves can fill right up. A full storage room is slow. Workers squeeze boxes into tight corners. They cram them into tiny gaps. Your computer does that same squeeze. Speed drops way down. Quick joke. A storage worker shoves in one more box. It lands on a full shelf. Boxes fall down. He just shrugs like it is fine. Secret number 3. Some programs are sneaky tag-along programs. That means they sneak a ride. They start on their own. That happens each time you turn on. You never asked for most of them. Dozens can pile in at startup. Each one grabs power before you touch the mouse. Quick joke. Tiny sneaky tag-along programs sneak onto a startup train. They wave and smile. The poor train sinks low under all their weight. Secret number 4. Remember the busy building from video 2? It works hard and runs hot. A cooling team keeps it cool. Dust drifts in slowly over months. It clogs the cooling team's air vents. Airflow drops. Heat starts building up fast. When things get too hot, the fix kicks in. Your computer slows down on purpose. It stays safe. That beats real damage. So there they are. A crowded desk, stuffed storage shelves, sneaky extra writers, a hot cooling team, all working against your computer. Here comes our slow little friend again. That tiny snail wears an amber hard hat. It has been hiding in your computer this whole time. Good news though, each one of these problems has a real fix. You do not need to be an expert. Fix 1. Close apps you're not using. Delete ones that just sit there. That frees up desk space and big storage room shelves. Fix 2. Open your settings. Turn off startup programs you never asked for. Fewer writers means a faster start. Fix 3. Gently clean dust from your vents and fans. Do this a few times a year. Clean air keeps that cooling team breathing. Quick joke. He sneezes into a big cloud of dust while cleaning. The cooling team inside cheers. They can breathe well again. The desk is cleared. The big storage room is tidy. The extra writers are gone. The fans are clean. Your computer feels brand new again. Look at our snail friend. It does not need that hard hat now. It stops working the hard hat for good. It hops on a small board. It zooms off free at last. That is the whole secret city fully explained. Go rewatch the city, the heat, and the painters. Then watch this video again. If you learned something new, like, subscribe, and share with a friend.